Yo, it's your boy Eli Wolf, and the market is actually still going right now. I had to start this recording to get this live feedback for you guys. And oh my God, yo, you see this entire move right here? I missed this entire move, and not that I missed it, but I took it on the wrong account. As you can see, I'm on my paper trading account on TradingView, but on my Combine account with Top Step, that's really where I wanted to take this trade, and I wanted to take the trade right here with 2 contracts on the Nasdaq, and I would have caught this entire move down, but I didn't take it for several reasons that I'm going to be evaluating and journaling, so that way when this happens again, this actually happened before, but I didn't get to log it in my journal. So now that it's happened again, I'm gonna log it and I'll know what to do next time. Now, I'll tell you what I seen and then I'll tell you what the problem is. So earlier in this afternoon, and even though the market's live, I could still do market replay just to show you guys like what I seen forming. So let's say yeah, we'll just start right here. So when I started to see price doing this, it went up a little, went up again. When I seen this, I knew that the 3 drives pattern was starting to form, but we weren't at a significant level quite yet. Now, I'm not sure what retail trading pattern this is. I think it's a bull flag or a maybe a rising wedge or something like that. But if you played that pattern, you could have played this move up a little bit. I was still ultimately bearish for the day, so I wanted to take a short. Now, when we made this swing right here, it didn't go as high as I wanted it to go. It did that right here. So that told me we had another leg to go, which was right there. Now, I waited to see some displacement. Now, when this happens, I don't really consider this, so that's displacement of some sort, but usually I'm used to seeing the candles more there's more displacement in it. This is not really displacement. However, looking at my previous journal entries, I wasn't able to, like I said, I haven't been logging the 3 drives pattern as much as I should because I don't use the 3 drives pattern in my trading model. However, I'm aware of it, and when I see it present, I use that to dictate the direction it's going in, usually to set up for my entry. But since I wanted shorts, it's 3 drives pattern, so not necessarily this right here, but as we start just pushing into these, just taking out these highs, so like creates that one, boom, takes out that high and that high, takes out another high. It's just taking out highs, creating highs, taking them out. I was looking for this move down to take a short. Now the problem is this setup, this is a rising wedge setup right here. You can see the same thing in the ES, maybe a little clearer. So 1, 2, 3. We fail to make another high right here, and we come down, right? So yeah, I guess it's a little more clear for you guys on the ES, but for me, I watch all the charts like at the same time for the most part, so I seen this forming, and the problem I had was my entry. So since I don't use the 3 drives pattern as an entry, more so to read price action and follow the tape, I knew that we weren't gonna make a new high right here. I knew that. So I naturally wanted to take a short here. However, since that's not my trading model, I didn't take it. So I watched price come down lower. When it closed below this candle right here, I knew that this mitigation block would propel us lower, and this candle starts going up into that, and this happens exactly at 201. As soon as 201 hits, the algorithm just initiates that sell program, and it just starts going down for about, how long is that? It's about like half an hour. Yeah, from like 201 to 231. So for half an hour, this price just tanked. This would have been a very tight stop loss, since I knew we weren't gonna make the new high. This is what it would have looked like. This would have been perfectly fine. And then my target, I had a target drawn out to 16911. 16911. So this would have been an excellent trade, and I really gotta just start being more confident in what I'm seeing, because this would have been really healthy in the account, I could tell you that. So let's do a market replay and see let's see what this would have landed us. I had 2 contracts loaded up in the queue, so let's see what the damage is. So I would have sold right there, and my stop loss, so I would have risked about 700 to make $700 to make $3,740. And this would have happened in half an hour. I waited the entire day, by the way, for this setup. Well, not this setup, but this trading opportunity around this time. And once we got, so when it did come down, you'll hear it inside of the live recording. I'm gonna play it after this. You're gonna hear me like just saying like, damn, like, cause I knew what just happened. But I also know that I'm practicing patience, and I'm practicing resisting to pull the trigger on things. But you see how sometimes resisting to pull the trigger, you miss out on opportunities. So I didn't lose any money, but the money I could have made, that is really what got me, for this trade today. And yeah, usually I wait like a day or two to do these recaps, but I just want to get this live, like authentic. This is happening. This just happened like about 7 minutes ago, actually. Yeah, so the market is still live, and there was another opportunity to get in to come back down. So when we closed down here, I knew that I could buy a pullback to play it lower, but that's not in my trading model to do that either. So yeah, I didn't have the right risk parameters that I set for myself. And the thing is, I could see all this stuff. It's just that to get the type of consistency that I want to maintain to get more funded accounts, I have to be willing to leave money on the table. I have to be willing to walk away. And there's plenty of times that I haven't done that. So I'm proud of myself for not pulling the trigger on something that wasn't part of my trading model. At the same time, I'm gonna journal this, and hopefully with enough journal entries, I will have enough data to hopefully for the next time I see this setup, I'll feel more confident taking it. So I guess there's like a bunch of lessons incorporated into this move here. hopefully you guys learned something from my experience today with this. And if you want to learn more about how I was analyzing the charts, I do have an updated futures day trading guide. You can just click the link in my bio and access the wealth education link. And let's see what else. Oh, journaling. So like I said, I'm going to be updating my trading journal with this. If you guys are looking for a trading journal, I have a free one available. Also visit my site, just scroll down to the free materials, and you'll find the trading guide in there. Not trading guide, the journal template, and that's free. So yeah, take a look at it. And yeah, I'm gonna play. So now I'm gonna just play what happened today, the live recording. So enjoy, have a good laugh, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. That was it right there. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
And welcome back to, well, supposed to be Back to the Futures, but we're going to do something special here today. As you can see, we've got our good friend, that handsome fellow, Mick, with us here today. Mick, how are you today?
What's up, Eddie? I'm doing really great. I'm excited for the holidays. It's Friday. It's been a heck of a week this week. Lots going on in the markets and with our traders and just everything else, so, but I'm good. I'm happy to be on here with you and with all of our viewers for Ask a Risk Manager Anything.
Anything
and everything.
Well, you know what, Mick, real quick, risk manager, what does a risk manager do?
The risk team monitors all of our funded traders. We're looking at people in XFA. We're looking at people in the live accounts. We're working with those funded traders. We want people locking in money and on profits, and we want people limited in the downside. So we'll have conversations with our traders about those things. We're also the team that calls up people from the express funded accounts to the live account with our prop firm. So we're always looking for great talent to call up, and we do a pretty good job with that.
Beautiful. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Well, let's get busy here. Got a lot of questions here. All right.
Do your risk analysis on a per trade basis, on a daily basis, a weekly basis, that kind of thing. Sounds like a pretty broad question, honestly. But you have to, that's when you're placing trades, even if it's a micros contract, you're assuming somebody else's risk. And anytime you're pulling the trigger or clicking the mouse on that, it's always risk analysis. What I'm risking $100 to make $400. I'm risking $1,000 to make $5,000 kind of thing. So yeah, you're always any exposure you have in the markets is real risk.
Okay. I appreciate that. Next question is from Trader Survivor. Mick, I've been good for 2 months. And let Santa Claus know that. He's been good for 2 months. Also received emails from you talking about my performance. You could consider for me for the live account. I've been funded many times. I can't. Let's see if he's right. I can't even fund it anymore. Do you have any advice? All right, so this trader's been funded before and wondering why he can't get funded now.
Oh my God, that was beautiful. Shit.
So his trading's not working out well. I'm not so sure.
He's been trading good for about 2 months. Received emails talking about his performance. And he wanted you to consider.
If you enjoy videos like this, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. We turn points to commas.